everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. Today we are doing apple turnovers. We're using puff pastry. If you've never used puff pastry before, man, this is such an amazing little pastry. You're going to absolutely love it. You can find it in your frozen food aisle. They make frozen pastry shells and the sheets. We're going to be using the sheets today. I have let this thaw out in my refrigerator. So what you want to do first, throw a little bit of flour down on your surface. It doesn't take a lot of flour, just a little bit. Just kind of gently move it around a little. And I'm going to throw just a little bit of flour on top. And then we're going to roll this out to about 1/8 of an inch. Got a pizza cutter. I'm gonna square it off just a little. You don't have to do this, but I'm just a little bit of a perfectionist. And I've never been able to roll things out where they look all square and pretty. Alright, so I'm gonna cut this in fours. Now if you wanted to, you totally could get a ruler out and square that up perfect. I'm not that much of a perfectionist, if I can speak English. Alright, what you want to do is get some of your apple pie filling. That's what I'm using today. I made this homemade on a live. I will be sure and link in a video right here. And put it in the center of your pastry. Now you can definitely use store-bought, would work just fine. And then you're going to fold it over. When I get it up on my sheet here, I'm going to take a fork and I'm going to score my edges. Try to match up my sides here. Okay, I'm going to fill up the rest of my pastries and I'll meet you right back here in just the last of my pastries. Creasing the last of my sides here. The next thing you're going to do, some of these I may have gotten a little full, but it's okay. Just for me and my family. So it's okay. I'm going to put a little water in my egg wash here. And I'm just going to brush over the tops of these. And then I'm going to top that with a little bit of cinnamon sugar. And we're going to pop these in a 400-degree oven for about 12 minutes. Now, next I'm going to show you how to make your very own homemade whipped cream. Don't do something in a can when making your own is so easy. So let's get started. Okay, to make your very own whipping cream, all you need is a cup of heavy cream, about 2 tablespoons of sugar or any sweetener of your choice, and a little bit of vanilla, about that much, probably about teaspoon and a half, probably to your taste, and then a plugged in immersion blender. Be sure to plug in your immersion blender, that helps. Now you could get out your stand mixer, but your immersion blender works just fine. And that quick, you have perfect whipped cream.
That didn't sound good.
No, it didn't. Okay, our pastries have come out of the oven. Now you could put whatever you wanted to on it. I am putting some of our homemade Cool Whip on it. A little bit more cinnamon and sugar. Some blueberries, strawberry, and grape. There you go, my friends. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you like today's video, be sure and check out these other 2 videos I've got here in the playlist. Thank you for joining us today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen.